Hi, we're BookBox, a social enterprise in India, and we make animated books or Anibooks with same language subtitles.
This is our passion because there are too many children in this world who cannot read.
There are roughly 250 million children in poor countries who cannot read a simple sentence. We know very well that kids love cartoons because you love our Anibooks on YouTube and on BookBox's website. And with the rapidly increasing use of digital media in education, we decided to put us, cartoons, together with same language subtitles.
Kiwi, do you know what same language subtitles are? It is when every word is highlighted in perfect timing with audio narration, and it makes the largest impact on literacy and language learning.
How innovative. We're launching something really big. Something that will change the way you use our Anibooks.